Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing video. We're going to be doing a February Look Fantastic beauty box unboxing. So let's dive into it. Glasses on so I can read the leaflet. They are stinking, by the way, but I guess I'll read out of them. What do you think of the makeup look, guys? Considering that I was quite rushing to make sure that I use natural light plus, as you can see in my glasses, a ring light. But yeah, I quite like it today. So we have the Look Fantastic beauty box, and inside it says, "You are loved, you are worthy, you are magical." And I love all the little sayings in the box. Then you have the book, and next month's sneak peek is Christopher Robin Regenerating Hair Mask. This restorative hair mask repairs, protects and smooths your hair from root to tip. Enriched with prickly pear seed oil, which has antioxidant benefits to restructure your hair, making it stronger and improving shine. I've actually cancelled my subscription, but I'm thinking of rejoining to get that, because before I used to have, I've got thick hair now, but I used to have really thick hair. I'm looking in this camera, my hair needs a cut badly. So let's dive into the box. I nearly didn't get this because I thought one of the products was a product I already had. This is what it looks like. So let's dive in. Take out the leaflet to read through. So for the first one, we have this. It's a lid gloss. So what is it? The liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level. Mess free and quick to apply with a glitter finish which allows you to take your makeup from day to night. So this is a sample size. It's okay, it's cute, it's not something if I saw I would purchase. It just says how to use. Swipe the colour across your lid using the applicator, build where necessary, blend using either your finger or an eyeshadow brush. So yeah. Please excuse my nails. I have done that one, which broke, and I have done that one. Nothing to this hand yet, because I'm seeing what I like. So just excuse my nails. Second product. This is a product I nearly didn't get, because this is the Illamasqua Primer Beyond Veil. I have the Hydra Veil. So I thought I didn't want another one, but this is the Beyond Veil one, which I was super excited about. And it just says, what is it? Combining two of Illamasqua's hero products, the Hydra Veil Primer and Beyond Powder, this face primer is hydrating and illuminating all in one. Apply under makeup to help it last all day whilst providing a luminous, natural looking glow. And that is why I wanted this box, for this primer alone. But I would use all the stuff in it. So for me, it was a good box to get. And then it just says how to use. Blend one scoop all over the face until fully absorbed. Follow with your favourite foundation. I have the Hydra veil. I've used it once. It's okay. It did make my face feel hydrated, and that's what I need. So if this is as good as it says, do you know you want a product to be good, but you don't, because then you're gonna have to spend money on it to repurchase. Yeah. Right, so the next product is a Balance Me product. It's, what is it? I can't see what it is. A Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. I have one other product of this, which I had, I think, in a Look Fantastic box, and I absolutely love it. I'm coming to the end of it, which is one of the reasons why I thought I would try another one. So it just says, a chemical facial exfoliant to brighten, purify and plump your complexion. Its blend of AHAs encourage the shredding of any dry or dull skin to reveal a natural, youthful and luminous glow beneath. Suitable for all skin types, but particularly beneficial for blemish-prone skin. So at the moment, I don't know if you can see, but I have really two big things on my chin. So yeah. And it just says how to use. Massage into cleansed skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and remove using a warm, damp cloth. So that's another product I cannot wait to try. Makeup wipes to remove makeup. These are really good if you're trying to cut down. Yeah. And this was another product I couldn't wait to get. Bubble tea stuff. Smells absolutely gorgeous. It smells like strawberries. It's really nice. And again, another product I would use, so that's why I picked the box up. So that is it for this video. Please like, subscribe and comment down below and keep on watching. Bye.